Well, thank you very much for your time. What's your first name?
Tara.
Tara. My name is Vic.
Hi, Vic.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
What's your claim that you'd like to explore?
Let's explore that the moon orbits the Earth.
Okay, you believe that the moon orbits the Earth.
Yes.
How did you arrive at that conclusion?
Because the moon follows a very specific pattern that we can chart and we can predict, and we can make models of it, and we can mimic the same phenomenon that we see in outer space, like as we're looking into space with models that we have, we can touch with our hands.
How confident are you on that claim that the moon orbits the Earth?
I am 100% confident that the moon orbits the Earth.
Wow, 100%.
Yes.
What would you say to people who might say that the moon is just an illusion? Certain communities, not sure if I should say, flat Earth communities,
Sure.
for example, might believe certain things like that.
Uh-huh.
How would you prove to them, which evidences would you point to?
I would point to the studies done by astronomers in the past, including those done like literally hundreds of years ago. Like you can use the same science that they used, like very basic science principles, up to like modern telescopes and modern, gravitational physicist like studies. And all of those, if you look at them, all point to the moon orbiting the Earth.
I'll have to admit, it's really hard to ask questions on something that I already agree with. So let me ask you this. What about the folks who say that literally everything we see is an illusion, not just the moon?
Well, I think that gets to be more of a philosophical question as opposed to a hard scientific question.
Okay.
And so I think in general, the assumptions that we're making about the world that we perceive, right, is built on the fact that we can perceive it. So if you think everything is an illusion, right, I think that even within that paradigm, that if it's an illusion, it still can exist with scientific laws. You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
Right? Because like within the illusion that you're perceiving, there are still things that you can prove within, like, right? Like I can't just make my cell phone fly or hover, and you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And even if it's an illusion, right? We're all functioning from the same basic understanding about what the rules are of this illusion. Does that make any sense?
Yeah, that's actually a really good point. So just to summarize quickly, what you're saying that even if this is all an illusion, it still has a set of
rules,
laws that it follows.
Right.
And within those laws, we can prove that
the moon's even in an illusion, the moon still orbits the Earth.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah.
I couldn't agree more. Thank you for your time.
Great, you're welcome.